Welcome to Art with Errol's vlog. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Astro A40 MixAmp Pro. I've been watching a lot of game streamers just to get an idea on how to make my game streaming better. And I came across obviously Kali Muscle. He uses this headset, and if you haven't seen him, check him out. He does awesome game streams, and he gives workout advice as well. So I'm gonna unbox this, and if you guys have questions afterwards, please check in on my game streams so that you can ask me questions, and I'll let you know how it sounds and how it's performing when I do team ups to use the headset. So let's get to it. So the Astro A40 is this one here is good for the PS4 and the PC. So let's get in here. Open this thing up. I already cut the tape so we can just get right into it. Oh, in there pretty tight. All right, we'll just toss that aside. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera here, but it's got some really cool graphics on the box here. Really cool design. Let's open it up and see what's inside here. Oh, okay. All right. So there it is. There's the headset, and there's the amp right away. So let's take a look at it. Oh, this thing, it's got some it's got a little weight to it. Definitely feels good. Definitely like the design on the sides here. It's nice and soft. See how it feels real quick. Yeah, that feels really good. The padding feels good up under here too. Got like a little padding there. That feels good. Does it say left or right on which side? Okay, so this is the right side, and that's the left side. Okay. And looks like there's a hole. I think that's where the microphone may go, because on the box you see the microphone sticking out. So okay, and then another plug down there. Let's take a look here. So got the amp here, and it's got like a bunch of plug-ins there. I guess that's the headset, auxiliary, maybe speakers. Okay, it looks like it might be little speakers on this side, and then on this side you got an optical, a string, and USB. It feels really good the way it turns there. Okay, all right, let's toss this paperwork over here. Looks like this is the microphone. Okay, yeah, this is the microphone. Okay, set that aside too. So this is what the microphone looks like. It's detachable. So give it a plug in here. All right, so that's pretty cool. Just plugs in. You can take it off if you don't need it. So I like that. All right, we got some cables here. So this looks like this is the USB. This one has those little monitors or speakers on it. I don't know what this cable is. This might be the optical, maybe. Okay, not sure about that one. Okay, and this one is, I think, the auxiliary. This is the auxiliary one. And we got paperwork in the bottom here, so I'll read this later just so I can make sure I hook it up correctly. And that looks like that's about it. Put the headset on. It's pretty close to the to the mouth. All right. Yeah, I really like the way it feels. Let's take this little plastic off of here. I'll just put that over there. Yeah, I really like the way it feels. Definitely can't wait to try it out. Precious! Definitely can't wait to try it out. Sorry about the interruption. It's real life right there. We're gonna keep that in the video. Yeah, so I definitely can't wait to try out this headset. I'm looking forward to doing some game streaming with a YouTuber you may know. Hopefully that will work out. With the time difference, it may or may not. But if not, I'm going to try to team up with some other folks, and we'll definitely get a test on the headset and see how it sounds during the game. And see, I'll ask them questions on how the mic sounds, and if you guys check in on the game streams, you can get that info if you guys decide to get this particular headset. The previous headsets I had were just some really cheap headsets. This one's a little pricey, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I'm trying to level up my gaming, and I think this is gonna help. So I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching. Please check out the art side of my channel, and check in on those game streams, and give this a like and subscribe.